All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are here in Lebanon. It's Saturday. I don't know what the date is today. The 25th of January. We're wrapping up here at this salon. I took a video yesterday. I just wanted to show you guys. We're almost done. We still have the waiting room to do, but it is Saturday. I think we're gonna pack it up and finish tomorrow morning. I know I'm hungry, but here we go. So you walk in. This is the floor. All our tools. I still gotta roll the floor, but I'm working on it. But little funny story today. We were working here, and obviously we had to work around these workstations because they go up into the ceiling. So what we did was I cut little wood blocks and I put them underneath the legs. This workstation and that workstation was fine, but when we got over to this one, we tilted it back towards us, and they're heavy. They're about 400 or 500 pounds. I went to slide the wood block underneath and the leg broke. This leg in particular broke, and the whole thing started tilting like this. And Sebi was right here, and I was holding the thing up. And I stuck my arm out, and I was able to, I don't know if you can see that, it's all marked up, my arm. But yeah, I stuck my arm out, and I'm basically a hero. I'm Sebi's hero. I saved him. He would have got crushed like a bug. He wouldn't have been dead, but he would have been hurt for sure. But yeah, just another day here at Weber Flooring. But anyway, we have this to do. Yeah, this is the waiting room. Now, the problem is we're going over the existing floor. This is straight concrete. There was carpet here, but they're two different levels. Luan's not going to cut it, so I'm putting a thick bead of glue here. I'm waiting until it dries to tack up, and then we're going to transition it into it. So the customer just brought back some flooring because we need 2 more boxes. He's a pretty cool dude, Ed. He's getting us a lot of work, so yeah, we're messing with him. But yeah, so this is it. Right? We're gonna do this tomorrow. Yeah, you want to glue? Just put a bunch of glue right here, just in the doorway here, the archway, and then hopefully that transition. If not, I'm gonna try using like a shim or something. I just don't want to put a transition strip there, just because there's gonna be customers in and out. You know, a lot of people come through here, so yeah. There's like a nail salon in the back. It's a nice place. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. Yeah, look at this back here. It's a pretty big place. They got all kinds of stuff. But this is where all the chairs and just they got a lot of stuff going on here. But yeah, if you guys need your hair did, come to May's down here in Lebanon. Or if you need flooring done, call us 717-673-5532, Weber Flooring. Or text me, whatever. If you need your floors done, give us a ring or a text. Yeah, have a good weekend, everyone. We'll see you. We're going to do this tomorrow, so Monday will be the next video, next job. I've got to look where we're going next, but somewhere. Have a good weekend, guys. Take care.